Welcome to this video on simple interest. We will explore how it works using clear examples. Meet Tom, a 10-year-old who loves to save his pocket money. He recently counted his savings and found he had 100 pounds. Tom started wondering if there was a way to make his savings grow over time, so Tom set out to visit the bank. The next day, Tom went to visit the bank. He met Mrs. Sarah, the bank manager. Tom asked, "If I keep my money here, will it grow?" Mrs. Sarah replied, "Yes, Tom." Mrs. Sarah explained, "When you save money with us, we reward you by adding extra money." Tom, looking confused, replied, "Extra money? Where does it come from?" She called this extra money interest. It means money you earn because you saved your money. Tom was happy to learn that his money could actually grow. To calculate simple interest, we use a specific formula: principal times rate times time, all divided by 100, where P equals principal, R equals rate, and T equals time. Let's look at our first example. Find the simple interest on 500 pounds over 2 years at a rate of 5% per year. First, we identify our parameters. The principal is 500 pounds, the rate is 5%, and the time is 2 years. Next, we substitute these values into our formula. 500 times 5 times 2, all divided by 100. Now, we perform the calculation. Multiplying the top numbers gives us 5,000. Dividing by 100 leaves us with 50 pounds of interest. To find the total amount, we add the interest to the original principal. So 500 pounds plus 50 pounds equals 550 pounds. Now, let's try a second example. What happens to the interest if the money is left in the bank for 5 years at the same 5% rate? Here, our principal and rate remain the same, but our time is now 5 years instead of 2. Substituting these values into the formula, we calculate 500 times 5 times 5 divided by 100, which gives us 12,500 divided by 100. As we calculated, this results in a simple interest of 125 pounds. After the 5-year period, the total amount you collect will be higher, as the interest has grown over a longer duration. We can see that the total amount is the initial 500 pounds plus the 125 pounds of interest, totaling 625 pounds. Tom wanted to know about what happens if he borrows money, so he asked, "What if I needed a loan? Will I also pay interest?" Mrs. Sarah replied, "Yes, interest is also paid when a customer collects a loan." Let's look at example 3. Find the simple interest on a loan of 800 pounds for 2 years at 12% per year. We apply the same simple interest formula we used for savings. Here, the principal is 800 pounds, the rate is 12%, and the time is 2 years. By substituting these into our formula, we calculate 800 times 12 times 2, all divided by 100. Calculating the numerator, we get 19,200. Dividing by 100 gives us an interest amount of $192. The total amount to repay is the principal plus the interest, which is 800 pounds plus 192 pounds, totaling 992 pounds. Amazed by what he heard, Tom asked, "Is simple interest used only in banks?" Mrs. Sarah replied, "No. Simple interest isn't just used by banks. It applies to various loans, like car loans, personal loans, and house loans." Tom was happy for what he has learned today, and I hope you have learned too. Now, let's see how much you have learned in this lesson. Test yourself with these questions. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe.